Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting the zoom effect right now. Don't get stuck on settings. Open TikTok, tap the plus sign, and choose record or upload a clip. Once you have the clip selected, tap effects, then trending, and pick zoom. This applies an automated push-in. If you prefer manual control, press record and use a 2-finger pinch while filming to zoom. This gives natural speed control. Make sure audio is set and lighting is steady so the zoom looks crisp and intentional. Once the basic zoom is applied, refine timing and feel. You'll trim the clip to place the zoom where it matters. Go to Edit, adjust the clip handles, and position the zoom start. Then tap the applied effect on the timeline, set its duration with the scissors so the push-in matches the beat or emphasis. If the zoom feels too abrupt, use speed or pinch on scale in Edit to slow it. This keeps motion smooth and avoids jitter. Make sure transitions connect the zoom to your narrative. You're finishing up. Preview the full video several times and tweak the zoom duration until it syncs with audio or action. Once satisfied, use crop or the stabilize tool if the frame looks shaky after a strong push-in. Small cropping hides edge wobble. Then add final filters, captions, and export a draft to your camera roll to check playback on other devices. If the zoom lags or glitches, reapply the effect to a trimmed subclip. That usually fixes misalignment fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.